Is it safe to connect to Wi-Fi at your school or college? You might think so. After all, everyone uses these hotspots. But few people consider if Wi-Fi is safe before tapping connect. If anyone can access your school network, then it's basically public Wi-Fi, and public Wi-Fi is famously unsecure. Cybercriminals can easily spy on the public network and extract your sensitive details. Hackers are opportunistic. They don't care who their victim is. If they find an unsecure connection, they'll exploit it. But the school setting makes it so much more threatening. You may be targeted by a school stalker turned cyberstalker. You could be doxed, meaning cybercriminals could publish your sensitive details like conversations, home address, or even private photos for all the school to see. Your connected devices could be taken over by injecting malware. The cyberstalker could use the information gained by spying on your connection to impersonate your bank or your school. By sending you an official-looking email or even calling you, they could try to scam you. So how can you stay safe on school Wi-Fi? Don't share sensitive information on social media. It can be used against you. Don't click on shady links. Keep your devices updated. Do not connect to your school's Wi-Fi without adding an extra layer of protection. Use NordVPN and encrypt your traffic with a click. For all things online security, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.